Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about the difference between Python's list methods append and extend. Now, I'm going to be honest here. This has definitely tripped me up more than one time. It doesn't do what I expect it to do, although it does exactly what it says it will do. So let's look at extend first, which does what I thought append should do. So I've got two lists, first and second. Now, both of these methods work in place, meaning it changes the array that you call it on. Now, this can also cause problems because it returns none. So if you're doing extend or append and you're expecting to get back the list, you do not. It returns none. It does it in place. So first of all, if we do first and we extend it with second, then we get the list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, just like you would think append would, but it takes the list apart and puts each element onto the other list. Now, let's look at what append does. Now, it takes this same list, but it puts the whole thing as a single nested element. And so it appends the list as a single element in the first list. So append is great if you have a single value, but extend is probably what you want. And I've had to just train myself to use extend and not think so much about append unless I know I've got one thing at a time that I'm tacking on there. So that's it for this video. Hit subscribe if you haven't already, and please hit that like button down there to help me build an audience, and I'll see you in the next one.